AJ Simmons here checking in, and I wanted to go over this. Who's the biggest cleaning franchise in the United States? Okay, commercial cleaning franchises. I'm on Statista.com. As you can see, according to them, Jani-king is the biggest cleaning franchise, followed by Coverall at 8870. They say Jani-king has 9,000 unit franchises. Jan Pro has 8,200 unit franchises. Service Master has 5,000. Vanguard has about 3,200, and Anago has about 1,500. This is as of March 2018. All right, so why does this matter? It doesn't. All right, just because a franchise company is the biggest, that has nothing to do with why you should buy with that cleaning franchise company. All right, if you are looking to buy a cleaning franchise, you need to look at several different things. I have a video on my YouTube channel. It's called "Which Cleaning Franchise Company is the Best." I think that video was probably the best way to get the information on how to choose which one you want to go with if you do decide to buy a cleaning franchise, as well as my ebook, Is It a Scam? The Truth About Commercial Cleaning Franchises. I also give a bullet point on what to look for when buying a cleaning franchise, okay? But one of the most important things I like to look at when trying to as far when trying to consider which cleaning franchise to buy, I want you to think about this. What are their stipulations, okay? Like if you're trying to grow your cleaning company, okay? If you want to grow your company like to be huge or whatever the case may be, make sure I turn this down so we won't get any eruptions. Um, what will they stop you from going out to get any commercial accounts outside of them? And then if they won't stop you, do they want a fee? Like, do they want a percentage out of that money that you're getting outside of them? Okay, so that's one of the most important things I want you to consider. Also, look at their sales and marketing fee, aka finder's fee, aka upgrade fee, aka multiple. All right, it could be called all of those things, but basically, it's the fee that they charge you for for them giving you new clients. Okay, so once they fulfill your initial package, say you buy in at a package level that promises you $2,000 a month in revenue. Well, once you get to that amount, that you've already paid for the amount of business of your original purchase agreement, right? So now you're paying for more business from them. Well, they'll give you more business. They'll give you all the business that you can handle. The thing is, though, how are you going to pay for it? And that's called an upgrade fee or founder's fee or sales and marketing fee. And so that fee could be detrimental to how fast or how you're able to grow. So definitely look at that fee. I think that fee is the most important fee out of any of the fees, period. If you plan on taking accounts from the franchise. If you don't plan on taking accounts from the franchise and they have low royalties and management fees, then maybe you still might buy in with that franchise even though their finder's fee is high, okay? So you need to look at all of these different aspects of franchising and see which one benefits you. All right, so Jani-king might be the biggest, but who cares? And really, if you look at this, it looked like it's really just in order of who started first, okay? Because if I'm not mistaken, Jani-king is the oldest one, and then Coverall came right behind him, and then Jan Pro came right behind Coverall. So it looked like they just they're growing in the order that they're supposed to grow, right? In terms of age, right? But I could be wrong. But again, looking at this type of stuff, it really doesn't matter. You need to be looking at how can you benefit? How can this franchise company benefit you and your personal goals for growing your cleaning business, okay? So if you want to look at into getting a cleaning franchise, I have no problems with it. Again, I used the cleaning franchise to grow and learn my way in this business, and then eventually I sold out. All right, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Personally, I always tell people try to go independent first, just because the less people in your pockets, the better, right? And the franchise will help you grow way faster most of the time. However, growing the fastest doesn't always mean that you're generating the most money. A lot of times people will gross a lot of money and take home not so much. Okay. So maybe the independent guy might be taking home more because there's less people in his pockets, okay? And that could be wrong too. That might not always be accurate. It all depends on how you bid. It depends on how the franchise bids on your accounts as well. So the most important thing that you can do is binge watch all of these videos that I put out. Even if you see a topic, that the title of the topic on the video says one thing that you're not interested in, you might want to click it anyway, because a lot of times I'll drop gems in the middle of videos that gem might not have anything to do with that topic of that video, especially the live ones. All right, because the live ones allow you guys to ask me questions and then I can really go in. And a lot of times I don't filter what's said out here, okay? So especially when I'm live, right? So, but if you do want to be able to access me directly and ask me your direct questions, the best way to be able to do that is follow me on Instagram at AJ Simmons Online, and I can answer you directly as long as you keep that question short and simple, all right? If you want detailed questions and detailed help, you want me to guide you with growing your business, join us in the Clean Biz Network. Go to cleanbiznetwork.com, click join us, and we can go from there, all right? But I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully this video was able to help you. And if you want to know how you can choose which franchise company is the absolute best for you, go click on my video, which cleaning franchise company is the best, and it breaks it down for you.